Hello everyone. So, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine, and I hope everyone is watching the video and you are learning from that video. Okay, so we are going today in this class. I am going to teach you this calculator tricks. Okay, actually, really, if I will say that I don't have this calculator. Okay, I don't have this calculator and I don't use also because it won't work for me. Okay, I have a mobile calculator, in that I used to work. Okay, but for this calculator trick I bought this calculator. Okay, for showing you the calculator trick I bought this calculator, and I don't have the calculator and all. Okay, fine, it's okay. So now today I am going to teach you the calculator tricks. Calculator tricks. So there are so many tricks in this calculator. Okay, there are so many tricks in the calculator. So today I am going to teach you a few tricks. Okay, like that each video I am going to teach you a few tricks for this calculator which is being used in that chapter. So this the chapter what I taught last you is the ratio. So ratio, proportion, okay, there, and indices. Ratio, proportion, and indices. These are the few tricks what you are going to use over there. Okay, this trick is mostly for ratio, proportion, and indices. And the few, I think so, on the few chapter also are upcoming. Okay, but whatever the chapters I will be teaching, and in that chapter whatever the calculator tricks is being used, I will tell you. Okay, so fine, without wasting the time I will be going on the video. Fine. So see, everyone have this calculator. Okay, and see, the first thing is I am going to teach you how to find the square. How to find the square. See, this is very important. Very easy also. Very easy. Everyone knows how to find the square. Everyone knows how to find the square. That is very easy. If I will say you to find the square of 5 square, or 8 square, or 11 square, whatever, or 13 square. So what you are going to do is you will take out the calci. First is 5 square. 5 square means you will press the 5 into 5. That is the 5 square. Everyone knows, right? 25. 8 square. Again you will take out the calcium. 8 into 8. That is a square. 64. Okay, like that. 5 square 25. 8 square 64. 11 square. So whose number is square, whatever the square is there, what we have to do, we have to multiply 2 times, right? 11 square means 11 into 11 in the calci. 11 square means we will multiply 11 how many times? 2 times. So 11 into 11. So same we will do in the calci. First we will type 11, then into, then we will type 11. 121. We know, right? The square everyone knows. How to find the square of 13? 13 square means we will multiply 13 how many times? 2 times, because this is a square. So we know how, if it means whatever the power is there, we have to multiply that number that many number of times. Okay, if 13 square means 13 power 2 is there, so we will multiply 13 till 2, means 13 we will multiply 2 times because 13 is square. So 13 into 13. So in the same in the calculator we will do. First we will write 13, then into, then 13. We are going to get 169. Fine. I hope everyone knows how to find the square. Okay. With that square, the second we will do is square root. Square root. See, first thing is square. Square means the power is 2. Whose power is 2, that is the square. Whose power is 2, that is the square. So whatever the power is there, you have to multiply that many times. Okay, so square means power is 2. So what we will do, we will multiply that number 2 times. Like 13 square. So we are going to multiply 13 2 times. So in the calculation 13 we will type into, then we will press 13. So equals 169. This is the square. Okay. Now for square root. Square root, what we will do, we can take any square root. We can take any square root. Square root of 64. We know this, right? This is a sign of square root. Everyone know this is the sign of square root. 64. Square root 39. Square root 150. Okay. So this is very easy. What we used to do here is, you have to find the square root. We have seen the square, now we have to see the square root. Square root means this, we know the sign. This sign is a square root sign. Okay. Square root 64, square root 39, square root 150. So first we will see for 64. See what we will do for square root, whatever the number is given, what is given? 64. So what we will do, we will write 64. We will type 64. Then after 64, you have to find the square root of 64. You have to find the square root of 64. Square root of 64. So whatever the number, you have to find the square root. So 64. So what I will do, I will in the calculation, I will type 64. Then after that, this is a square root. This is a square root. So in the calculation, I don't know whether you can see this or not. I don't know whether it is visible or not. This is a square root sign. Okay. I will show it here. This is a button. This is a square root sign. You can see in your calculation this button. Okay. Square root. So what we will do, which number we have to find the square root, we will type that number. First step is we will type that number. Second step is we will press this button. So we will press that button. It is 8. It is 8. Again, what we will do, first step is, there are two steps. First step is write the number which we have to find. We have to find for 39. So in the calculation, I will write 39. 39. First step over. What is the number is given? I will write the first step. Second step is I will press this button. Which button? This button. I will press this button because this button will find your square root. So after writing 39, first step is I will type the 39 over here. Second step is I will type this. I will press this for finding the square root. So I will press. So it is 6.24. It is 6.24. Now 150. Now 150. 150 means same what we will do. Same step. First step is we have, see, the question is find the square root of 150. Square root of 150. So what is this? This is a square root. This sign we know. Everyone know. We know this sign. We are studying from class 8. This sign is square root. Okay. This sign is for finding the square root. Okay. So very first step, what we will do? Very first step is we will write the number. What the number we have to find? We have to find for 150. So I will type 150. 150 I will type. That's it. First step is what the number we have to find. We will type that number. So we have to find for 150. I will type 150. That's it. 150. 150. Then second step is you have to find the square root. Second step is you have to find the square root. So I will press this square root button. I will press this square root button. Answer is 12.24. Answer is 12.24. Okay, these are the method how to find the square and square root. Now I will go for finding so many powers. This we have seen the power 5 is square. Okay, fine. Yeah, we will see here. We have seen the power is square. Okay, now the power is 10, power is 9, power is 8, power is 12. Like that, how to find. Okay. So I hope everyone have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay. So everyone get to know a square root and how to find the square. Still, if you will be having doubt, you can ask in the comment section. So I will reply you over there. Okay. Now next we will go for so many powers. First we have seen how to find the square. Second we have seen that how to find the square root. Third we will go for so many powers. Third is topic is so many powers. So many powers. Like so many power means this type. 2 power 8. Okay. 13 power 9. Okay, whatever you can take. Whatever you want you can take. 1.05 power 8. Okay, 8 I have already taken. 1.05 power 7. Anything you can take. 2.24 power. Sorry, yeah. Anything you can take. 2.24 powers 5. Anything you can take. You can take 8.9 power 6. Okay. Now the thing is, this is for so many powers. So guys, so what we will do for so many powers, this is a 2 power 8. 2 power 8 means we know. What does this indicate? This indicates 2 power 8 means we have to multiply 2 how many times? 8 times. Like that. 13 power 9 means we have to multiply 13 9 times. 1.05 power 7 means we have to multiply 1.05 7 times. 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05. So guys, it is a long process. You are typing 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05 till you will find the answer like yeah, I got the answer. Examiner will say, better timer. You say 2 minutes. Okay, so this thing will happen. So because with the help of this calculator, we will make it short. We will make it easy. So it will save your time. Okay, otherwise like it will happen. When the examiner will say time up, you will say 2 minutes, 1 minute, I have to he will take and go. Okay. Okay. So what you will do is you have to save the time. So 2 power 8 means you have to do 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So see the calci you have to keep on doing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. This is okay. But you will take the time more here. 2.24. 8.9, 1.05, you will keep on 2.24 into 2.24 into 2.24 into 2.24. Khatam, tata, bye bye. Time will go. Okay. So what we will do is, we will find a easy trick with the help of the calculator. So to make this time saving is, first is 2 power 8. 2 power 8. So what we will do? In your calci, 2 power 8 means you have to multiply 2 how many times? 8 times. So what I am going to do here is, we will multiply 2 into 2. 2 into 2. How many times? See here. What we will do in the calci? Once again I am seeing you. I will press the 2 I will press the 2, then I will press the into, then again I will press the 2, 2. I will press equal to. So you will get the 4. How many times happen? We have took the 2. We have took the 2 times. How many times you have to go? 8 times. So guys, what we have did in the calculator, first we have typed 2, then into 2 equals, we got this answer in the calculator 4. So this is only 2 power how many times? 1, 2. But we have to go till 8. Right? We have to go till 8. Now what we will do, we have still 6 to go. Right? This is 2. We have to go 6. So what we will do, in the calculator equal to sign is there. Right? Equal to. How many times happen? 2 times happen. You have to go 8. So we will, from the calculator, the equal sign we will type. We will keep on pressing. This is 2 times over. Now we have to press the which sign? Equal to sign. Now we have to press the equal to sign. Till what? Till 8. Till 8. Means we have did 2 into 2 equals 4. Done. We got 4. Means 2 power it is 2. But we want 2 power 8. So we have to, now what we have to do? We have to keep on pressing the equal sign till 8. So this over. This is a 2 times we got 4. Now we will press the equal sign. 1 time. How much happened? 2 plus 1? 3 times. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you will get 256. Okay. Same thing we will do for 13 power 9. 13 power 9. So guys, 13 power 9 means what we will do. I don't know whether it is visible or not. I don't think it will be visible. 13 power 9 is what I will do is, guys, first I will multiply 1, 3. 13 into 13. I will do equal. 13 into 13. So guys, whatever you have to find. See, we have to find 2 power 8. So same 2 into 2 equal. So same 13 power 9. So we have to multiply 13 into 13. Then we have to press equal. 13. 1 into 13. So how many 13s happen? 2 13. Right? 13 into 13. So guys, how many times happen? 13 into 13. 13. 1 into 13. 1. 2 times happen. We got equals 169. So that is a 2 times. But we have to find till 9 times. So what we will do, that 2 times over. 13 into 13. So 2 times over. We got 169. Equal to, we got 169. But we have to find till 9. So what we will do, this equal sign. We will keep on pressing. 2 times over. Now equal 3. 1 more equal 4. 1 more 5. We have to keep on pressing the equals till 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 4, 4, 9, 9, 3, 3, 7, 3, like that we got. Okay. So it will be like a big number. You are going to get something like this. 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 4, 9, 9, 3, 7, 3. Okay. Like this. Same for 1.057. Same for 1.057. So 1.507. Sorry, 1.05. Sorry, 1.05 power 7. 1.05 power 7. So what we are going to do is same thing. First I will type 1.05 into 1.05. So how many happen? 2. Right? So in the calculator first I will type 1.05. 1.05 into again 1.05 equal. How many times happen? 2 times. 1.05 into 1.05 equals. So 2 times. We want 7 times. So how many remaining times? 5 times. We have to press 5 times equal. Okay, 1.05 into 1.05 equals. So you will get 2 times. The value you got is 1.1025. That is for 2 times. So I will press now, that is 2 times. Now we'll press the equal sign. 3, 1 again 4, 1 again 5, 1 again 6, 1 again 7. Then you will get 1.407 like that. 1.407. Same we will do for 2.24 power 5. Same we will do for 2.24 power 5. So I will rub it off. Same I will do is 2.24 power 5. 2.24 power 5. So what I will going to do is, again see, 2.24 to the power 5 means 5 times. So what I will do, same 2.24 into 2.24 equals. So how many 2.24 we took? 2, right? First I will do 2.24, 1 into again 2.24 equals, right? 2.24, 1 into 2.24. So 2 times 2.24, right? 2.24 into 2.24. After that we will do equal. So how many times we got? We got for the 2 times. The value you will get is 5.0176 is for 2 times. We have to find for 5 times. So what we will do, 2 times over. Now 1 equals time 1 we will press. That is the third time. Again we will press 4 times. Again we will press 5 times. So we will get 56.39. 56.39. Next we will see for 8.9 power 6. Okay, 8.9 power 6. Yes. 8.9 power 6. I was checking like which topic I have to do. Okay, so we did for square. We did for square root. Now we will see for so many powers. If the powers are so many like 7, 8, 6, 10, 11, whatever. Now next is we will do 8.9 power 6. 8.9 power 6. So what we will do, same thing. First we will type 8.9, 8.9, then into again 8.9, 8.9, then equal. How many times happen? 2 times. Answer is 79.21. 2 times. But we want for 6 times. We want for 6 times. The 2 times happen. Now what we will do? Again we will press equal to. 1 means we will press the equal to 3 times. Again equal to 4 times. Again equal to 5 times. Again equal to 6 times. Then the answer is that. Okay. What we did? 8.9 into 8.9 equal to. How many times happen? 2 times. But we want for 6 times. Then 2 times over. Then what we will do? This is the equal sign. So we will press 1 time. Equal sign, right? We will press 1 time. So 2, 3. Again 1 time. 4. Again 1 time. 5. Again 1 time. 6. So you will get. Oh, it's a long number. So it is a long number. 4423133.48. Okay, we will get this. So understand how to find. This is like how many numbers. Okay. So what we will do, we will multiply that same number 2 times, like 8.9 into 8.9. So we will multiply the same number 2 times. 8.9 into 8.9 equals. We will get some value. That value is for how many times? That value is for 2 times. That value is for 2 times. Okay. But we want, suppose we want for 10 times. 8.9 power 10. That is for 2 times we got. 8.9 into 8.9. That is for 2 times. We want for 10 times. So what we will do? 8.9 into 8.9 equal to some value we will get. That is for 2 times. But for 10 times, finding for 10 times, what we will do? We will keep on pressing the equal sign. 2 times over, then equal sign 3, then equal sign 4, then equal sign 5, then equal sign 6. So equal sign 7, equal sign 8, then equal sign 9, then equal sign 10, then equal sign 11. So how many times we want? Just we have to, starting what we have to do, starting we have to multiply 2 times, that's it. We will get answer for 2. The power 2. Now how many powers we have to find? We will go till by pressing equals 2 times over, then equal 3 times, then equals 4 times, then equal 5 times, then equal 6 times, then equal 7 times. Like that we have to keep on going. Okay, fine. So guys, I am giving you a few work. Okay, this, everyone in the comment box, you will tell me the answer for this, for so many powers, so I will get to know whether you have understood or not. Okay, 2.31 power 4, 1.15 power 6, and the last is 3.05 power 10. Guys, everyone, please, those who have watched, means those who will watch my video, please everyone comment the answer for this in the answer box. Okay, it will take you a maximum of 1 minute to answer this, 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so please answer this in the comment box, so I will get to know whether you have understand or not. Or still, if you have anyone have the doubts, you can ask with me. If still you have the doubts, anyone, you can ask with me. I will tell you that. This is for third one, that is for finding so many powers. So guys, we have seen first is to find the square. Okay, we have seen how to find the square root. The square root is very simple. We will write that number, and we have the button of square root. We will press that button. We are going to get the square root. Now next we have seen the so many powers. Okay, square done, square done, square root done. We are finding the so many powers. The long powers, that done. In long powers only the cube will come. Cube we know, guys. For square root we are means we are multiplying 2 times. For cube we will multiply 3 times. That's it. Okay, everyone knows how to find the cube. So square over, finding the square root over, cube over, so many powers, large number of powers, that over. Now the last is for finding the cube root, or you can say like any powers which the power is in fraction, any powers which are in a fraction. Okay, we did for square, we did for square root, we did for cube, we did for so many powers. Now the main thing is we are going to find the not the cube root, mostly we will see that the power. Okay, so many powers is there. If it is, so many powers are there. Okay, if next topic is like power in fraction. Power is given in fraction. Power is given in fraction. Power is given in fraction. First thing, suppose first I will take is, see guys, if I will take you have to find the cube root of 225. Cube root of 225. Okay. See guys, if you have to find the cube root of 225. So what we will do, we cannot able to find the cube root from this calci. Okay, here we don't have any sign. We have a sign of finding the cube root in the scientific calculator, but scientific calculator is not allowed in the examination. You can take and go. You can take and go the scientific calculator, but the thing is they won't allow you. Okay, you have to keep outside. I mean the thing is, this normal calculator, this calculator which we used in the ration shop. Okay, that calculator you have to take and go. You have to keep on doing. Okay, so now the thing is power in fraction. When the power is given in fraction, so guys, like if suppose you have to find the cube root of 225. Cube root of 225, guys, everyone we know, if we will remove this, cube root, then power will become 225 power 1 by 3. Everyone we know, right? If it is a 25 power square root, if we will remove this square root, it will become 25 power half. Correct? If we are removing the cube root, the power will become 1 by 3. The power will become 1 by 3. If we are removing the square root, the power will become 1 by 2. Okay. See guys, that's what I am saying, that power in fraction. So you can see the power is given in fraction. Like this. 126 power 3 by 7. 126 power 3 by 7. So these types of sums, how you are going to find. Guys, whenever you have to find the cube root, because we have seen the square, we have seen the square root, we have seen the cube, we have seen for the so many powers. Now the cube root or also the power in fraction. Why? Because we are going to change this cube root like this. Okay, whenever the cube root is there, if you will remove the cube root, the power will come is 1 by 3. We know. If you will remove this cube root, the power will become 1 by 3. The power will become 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 you can see means the power is in fraction, right? 1 by 3 fraction. Next example is like this. 126 power 3 by 7 means if you have to find the power, if you have to find the number whose power is in fraction, you can see the power is in fraction, right? 3 by 7. The power is in fraction, 3 by 7, numerator, denominator. So that time how you are going to find? Guys, very important. It's having a long process, but okay. But watch it here carefully. I am seeing for this 225. I don't know whether this calculator is visible or not if I will come near. Okay. But I will write the steps here. See guys, as I have told you, whenever you have to find the cube root, I will remove this cube root. So power will become 1 by 3. Power will become 1 by 3 every time. So 1 by 3 means nothing but power is in fraction. Power is in fraction. Or like this, 126 power 3 by 7. 126 power 3 by 7 means power is in fraction. Power is in fraction, the numerator and denominator. Okay. Now guys, what we have to do, what we are going to do is, whatever the number we have to find, we have to find 225. So first step is we will type 225. We have to find for 225. First step is I will type 225 in the calculator. This is guys for any power is in fraction, any power, whatever you can take, but the power should be in fraction. Okay. So for cube root also we can do, we will remove this cube, the power will become 1 by 3, the power came in fraction. Okay. So first step is, for what the number we have to find, 225. Here the number we have to find for 126. Okay. We are seeing for this first one. So whatever the number we have to find, we have to write the number in the calculator. We will write the number 225. Then guys, what you have to do is, you can see this, the square root button. You know that is a square root button in your calculator, the square root button. Okay, you can see this square root button. Okay, square root button in the calculator, everyone see. So square root, what you will do, first step, see guys, after comma means this is the first step. First step is type 225. Whatever the number you have to find, that number you have to type. So I have to find for 225. I will type 225. That's it. 225. That's it. Type 225. Next step is, you have to do 12 times square root. Next step is guys, you have to do 12 times square root. Means first what you have to do, first type 225. First guys, take out this, first type 2, then 5. 225. Then after that what you have to do, then you have to 12 times square root. Don't do anything. First step is type 225. Then square root button 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times you have to type the square root button. So I will type the 12 times square root button. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9, 10, 11, 12. I typed 12 times square root button. Okay. First step is write the number as it is 225. 225 in the calculator. Then next step is don't do anything. Square root button is there. Square root button. That button you have to type 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. Then after whatever the value you are getting, third step is don't press equal to and all. Just type the number 225, first step. Second step is 12 times the square root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 times the square root. Then next is do minus 1. Whatever the answer you got, do minus 1. Next step is this 12 times. Then next step is whatever the answer you are getting, do minus 1. Whatever the answer you are getting, do minus 1. So I will be doing minus 1. Then press equal. Because for finding the answer, you have to press equal. First is write the number what we have to find. Then we have to press 12 times this square root. 12 times the square root button. Then whatever the answer you are getting, do minus 1. Do minus 1. Then equal. You will get some value. Okay. Then after that what you have to do, check out the power. Power is 1 by 3. Power is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means we will multiply with 1. Okay. We will multiply with 1. Next step is what? It is 1 by 3. So we will multiply with 1. Same here it is 3 by 7. So we will multiply with 3. Right. We will multiply with numerator. We will divide with denominator. So we will multiply with numerator. We will divide with denominator. Okay. So same like that we have to do. Whatever the answer you are getting after doing minus 1, from that multiply the numerator. Multiply the numerator. Okay. Multiply the numerator. So numerator is 1. Okay. I will write here multiply the numerator. Multiply the numerator. Here in place of 225 what you can write? The number what you have to find. Okay. Then 12 times square root. Then every time you have to do minus 1. Then multiply with numerator. Multiply with numerator. Numerator is 1. So whatever the answer you are getting, multiply into 1. Then equal. Okay. You will get the we will get some answer. Then you have to, next step is divide with denominator. Divide with denominator. Divide with denominator. Guys, it looks like a long step. But if you will do the 2-3 sums, then it will be very easy. Because I am teaching you the first time, so it will be looking a very long step. Otherwise, it will be a very short step. Okay, you can do in a 10 seconds. Okay. So divide with denominator. Denominator is what? 3. So I will divide with 3. Okay. Then whatever you are getting it here, you have to do with a, then add a plus 1. Add a plus 1 equal. Then after that what you have to do, guys, then after that very important, after that you have to do multiply equals. Okay, you have to do multiply, you have to type the multiply sign, then equal sign. This is one time. You have to do it 12 times. You have to do it for 12 times. Okay, fine. So okay, so what we will do here is after doing till here plus 1, we will press the multiply, we will press the equal, that is one time. That you have to continue till 12 times. See, multiply equal one time, again multiply sign equal sign 2 times, again multiply sign equal sign 3 times, again multiply sign equal sign 4 sign. Like that we have to do. Multiply equal 1, multiply equal 2, multiply equal 3. Means you have to keep on doing. Multiply sign equal sign 4 times, multiply sign equal sign 5 times, multiply sign equal sign 6 times, multiply sign equal sign 7 times, multiply equal 8, multiply equal 9, multiply equal 10, multiply equal 11, multiply equal 12. Right, I think so I got the same answer. Yes. So you are going to get is 6.08. 6.08. So guys, here what you have to do at last, multiply equal. You will press the multiply sign, you will press the equal sign. That is one time. Then again multiply equal 2 times. Multiply equal 3 times. Then multiply equal 4 times. Then multiply equal 5 times. Then multiply equal 6 times. Then multiply equal 7 times. Like that you have to keep on doing 12 times. Multiply equal, multiply equal, multiply equal, multiply equal. You have to keep on doing. Okay, you have to do till 12 times. So answer is 6.08. See guys, if I will do in a fast, what I will do is, looking it is a very long step, but when you will do 3-4 numbers, it will become very easy for you. See what we will do, we have to find the 126 whose power is 3 by 7. So we will check it out. Power is square means we will multiply 2 times. Power is cube, we will multiply 3 times. If power is square root means we will write that number and then we will press the square root button. We will get the answer for square root. Okay, if power is so many power, then you will multiply that number 2 times equal to, we will get the answer for 2 times. We will multiply the same number like 6.05 power 5. So 6.05 into 6.05. So we will press that number 2 times, 6.05 into 6.05 equal. We will get the answer for 2 times. But we want for 5 times. So 2 times over. Then next we will go for equal to. Equal to, we will press 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Then 1, 4. Then 1, 5 times. If you go for 10 times, then 1, 6. Then 1, 7. Then 1, 8, like that. Multiply the number 2 times. Whatever the answer you are getting. Then after that keep on pressing equal to sign till what you want. What the number you want. Okay, if it is 10 means you are getting 2. So once you will press the equals, it will become third. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. Okay. Now here you have to see that power is in fraction. When you have to find the number and the power is given in fraction. When you have to find the number and power is given in fraction. Power in fraction. We will follow these steps. What we will do? That very simple steps. Which number we have to find? Which number we have to find? We have to find for 126. Which number we have to find? We have to find for 126. So what we will do? First we will write that number. I will write that number 126. Done? First I will write that number 126. 126 over. Guys, here you have to write which number you have to find. You have to find here 225. So I have written 225. Here you have to find 126. So you will type 126. Which number you have to find? The same number you have to write it here. Remaining all the things will same. So you have to find for 126. What I will do in the calculator, everyone will type 126 because you have to find for that number 126. Then what we will do? Just we will type 126. That's it. It will come 126. Then what we will do? Next step is 12 times square root button. 12 times square root button. Then we will go for the square root button. Then we will type 12 times. First we will type 126. It will come 126. First step. Second step is 12 times square root. We will go for the square root button. Then we will type 12 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times square root button. 12 times square root button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times square root button. Whatever you will get, that is the second step. Third step, whatever you are getting the answer, do minus 1. Do minus 1. I will do minus 1 equals, we are getting some value. Then you have to multiply with denominator, you have to add with numerator. See, multiply with numerator, divide with denominator. Guys, you have to write this step. Okay, multiply with numerator, divide with denominator. Multiply with numerator, 3 is the numerator. So I will, whatever the answer I will get, multiply 3 equal. You will get some answer. Then divide with denominator. Divide with denominator. So divide with denominator is 7. So I will divide 7. Okay, I will get some value. Then I will do plus 1. I will do plus 1 equal. I will get to some value. Then the last step is multiply equal. That is 1. Same, multiply equal 2, multiply equal 3. Then what we have to do? Whatever the answer you got, we have to, what we have to do? We have to take that multiply equal 1 time, multiply sign equal sign 2 times, multiply equal 3 times, multiply equal 4 times, multiply equal 5 times. Like that you have to keep on pressing the button. Then multiply equal 1 time, multiply equal 2 times, means multiply button then equal button 3 times, multiply button equal button 4 times happen, multiply button equal button 5 times happen. Like that you have to keep on pressing till 12 times. I forgotten how many times I did. Okay, I will do from starting. Simple step. Whatever the number 126. So I will do 126. I will type the number 126. Then 12 times square root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 times square root. Then minus 1. I will do minus 1. Then multiply with numerator, divide with denominator. So multiply with numerator 3. I will multiply with numerator 3. I will divide with denominator. Divide with denominator 7. Divide with denominator 7 equal to, multiply with 3 equal to, you will get some value. Then that value divided by denominator, means divided by 7, you will get some value. Then after that add 1 equal to, you will get some value. Then after that into equal to 1 time, into equal to 2 times, into button equal to button 3 times, into button equal to button 4 times, into button equal to button 5 times. Like that you have to do till 12 times. Into equal to 1, into equal to 2, into button equal to button 3, then into equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So I will get 7.95. 7.95. Okay. So guys, everyone please write down these steps. This step is very, very important. We will do one more sums. Then again I will give you a 2 sums for your homework. Okay. I will do one more sums. Then I will give you the 2 sums for your homework. Next sum is 96 power 4 by 5. 96 power 4 by 5. Means we will see guys, we have to find power is in fraction. 4 by 5. Power is in fraction. Okay, power is in fraction. Then what we will do? We will follow these steps. That's it. Write the number. Press 12 times square button. Minus 1. Multiply with the numerator. Equal to. Divide with the denominator. You will get some value. Add that value with plus 1. Then 12 times into equal to. 1 time into equal to 2 times, like that. So what I will do is 96 power 4 by 5. So I will write the number 96. I will write the number 96. It will come 96. Then 12 times square root button. 12 times square root button. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times square root button. Whatever the value you will get, minus 1. Minus 1. So minus 1 equal to, you will get some value. From that value multiply with numerator. The multiply with numerator is 4. So I will multiply with 4 equal to, I will get answer. Then divide with denominator. Denominator is 5. I will divide with 5. I will do equal to, I will get some value. Then we'll add with 1. We will add with 1 equal to, we will get some value. Then multiply equals 12 times. So multiply equal 1 time, multiply equal 2 times, multiply equal 3 times. Like that only you have to do. Multiply equal 1, multiply equal 2 times, multiply sign equal sign 3 times, like that. So multiply equal 4, equal 5, multiply equal 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. So answer is 38.54. 38.54. Okay. So like that. So I will be giving you a few sums for your homework. Okay, I will be giving you a few sums for your homework. So please everyone, if you have any doubt, comment in the comment section box. If you don't have the doubt, you can do the thumbs up. So I will understand, like those who have watched the video, everyone has understand. So guys, please in the comment box give the answer for this two, then I will get to know you have understood it properly. Okay. Okay. This is 148. 148 power 2 by 3. 148 power 2 by 3. And this is 221 power 4 by 7. This is 221 power 4 by 7. So here guys we can see it here is, here we can see it is power is in fraction. The power is in fraction. You can see the power is in fraction. So guys, please, this is a request from my side. See, I am not saying you to subscribe my channel, share the video and all. I won't say. Okay, because I know if you will feel the video is very helpful for you, if you will feel it really, it is easy and it is important, obviously you will subscribe and go and you will like. So it depends upon you. The main thing is, if you understood, if you have watched the video, if you have understand, please just comment thumbs in the comment box. Means you can comment with a thumbs in your thumbs, it means in your comment box, so I will get to know okay you have understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask, feel free to ask, and please give the answer for these two and the questions I have given. So if you give the answer, I will be happy, like at least you have worked for me, and I will be like, I will be also happy, like at least you have understand. Okay, so this is for the calculator trick. This trick we are using, like mostly we use for ratio, proportion or indices. Mostly it is for indices. Okay, and maybe it will be helpful in like compound interest, okay, annuity, their time value of money. Okay, there, that chapter it will be helpful, or maybe it will be helpful in statistics, might be. Okay, so these are the calculator tricks. See, in one video I'm not going to tell you the whole tricks. So what will happen, your mind will become jumbled. Okay, so one video, small tricks, and in that time in which chapter we are using, we are doing the ratio, proportion, so in that maybe it will be used. Okay, so I have did this calculation trick. The same indices will be going on like that. When I will come for log, in that chapter log, what is the calculator tricks, I will tell you there. Then I will go for like every chapter. Okay, like sequence series, there whatever the tricks will be there, I will going to teach you there. Okay, calculator tricks, compound interest, simple interest, annuity, there whatever the calculator tricks is there, I will go, you means I will be teaching you there. Okay, and the very important thing is, for by reading the question, how you will get to know for the compound interest and the simple interest, the annuity part. Okay, by reading the questions you have to understand like whether it is a present value formula or whether it is a like a future value formula. In that also, present value formula for annuity due, a present value formula for annuity immediate. Okay, you have to understand by reading the question whether we are going to use here present value or future value. A present value annuity due, a present value annuity regular, a future value annuity due, a future value annuity regular. Okay, like that. So when we will be doing that chapter, I will be teaching the tricks, and the calculator tricks depends upon that which chapter I am doing. That chapter I will give you the calculator tricks. So it will be helpful for you that you will be learning that chapter and you will be learning the sidewise the calculator tricks. You will be applying, you will getting it. Okay. So thank you guys, and we will be meeting you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.